Okay guys, ultimate HIIT session we got going on today. So there's gonna be 2 different rounds, 2 different circuits, 2 different rounds. So stick with us and I'll talk you through everything, but be prepared to sweat. Okay, for each circuit, we're gonna have a little bit of weights and then it's gonna be 2 bouts of cardio. So this first one is gonna be 3 separate rounds of this circuit and it's gonna be overhead squats with a plate. And then we're gonna have 2 little cardio sessions and you're gonna do 50 reps each. And I'll show you that in a second, but first we got 12 overhead squats. Keep your chest back, arms as straight as possible, sitting back, keeping it in your legs. And you're gonna set it down, and we're gonna go straight into lateral jump hops. From here, you're going to grab weights, catch your breath a little bit. It's going to be jumping jacks, but instead of going out, you're going to take the weight straight up to protect that shoulder. So you got 50 right here. After that, you're gonna rest for a minute or 2. Then you're gonna do 3 rounds. And then in a minute, I'll show you circuit number 2. Okay guys, I had to put my hair up because box jumps and hats do not go well together. Second round, 3 times through again, 12, 50 reps, 50 reps. We're gonna do 12 reps of burpee box jumps, Then we're gonna do 50 reps of Basu mountain climbers, and then 50 jump jacks. That's a lot. Jump squats. A little bit. I'm blonde again, so I'm gonna say some funky stuff. But we're gonna get started right now. So 12 box burpees. Basu mountain climbers. Also, you don't have to do the push-up or the burpees if you don't want to. The mountain climbers is next. After 50, push it aside. 50 jump squats. 2 break, another 3 rounds. So 3 rounds from the first one, 3 rounds from the second one. Should be sweating and dying at the end. Okay guys, that was a total HIIT circuit for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. As you saw, I was dying. So take breaks, grab some water, take that 1 to 2 minutes in between, and I'll catch you next week. Like, subscribe, leave comments, chat with me. Have a great week.